Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Thank you guys so much for joining me. My name is Renata and today I'm going to share with you my sewing plans for the month of April through May. I know that this isn't my typical background, but there is a lot of kids on the other side doing things that can be loud and very distracting, so I just took it into my room for this video. However, my next sewing plans is going to be in a very nice space, one that you guys typically see me share those on. So please meet me in the next clip if you are interested to see my plans for the next few weeks. The first project that I'll be working on this month is this beautiful fabric here from Minerva. It is a Jean Caldor cotton satin. I'm pretty sure that's what the fabric content is. However, I will leave a link to that in the description so you guys can see what you need to know regarding this fabric. It is a small piece because I've already cut out my pattern and started to work on it already. If you guys follow me on Instagram, then you all know that this is going to be the Bakerloo by Nina Lee. I'm really excited to try that. It is such a pattern that is out of my comfort zone regarding the Peter Pan collar. It's oversized, but I have seen that pretty much all over the runway and they look amazing. I'm just not sure if I want to go that big, so I kind of size mine down a little bit, and if I feel comfortable in it and if I think it looks amazing, then I'll definitely make another one with that full collar size. So that is the first pattern that I'm going to be working on for this month. I think that is a beautiful pattern. I like the designs, and the thing is, on Instagram there is so much inspiration for the Bakerloo that you really can't go wrong choosing patterns these days because there's so much inspiration out there. I just want to make sure that the collar is what works for me, the size that is what works for me, because I've seen so many people that made it in its original state and it looks beautiful, but I feel like for me right now it's a bit too much. But I love the shape of the blouse, the silhouette, and the fact that there is a bunch of different fabrics that you can use to complete your project, and it's beautiful, it's on trend, it looks great, a lot of people recommend it, so I'm looking forward to sharing that completed project with you guys in the near future. The next project that I want to work on this month is, let's start with the fabric first because I'm not 100% sure. I would like to make this a simplicity pattern here. I think it's so beautiful and it looks amazing, but I don't have it in my stash and I don't have anything really close to that silhouette, so I may have to pick it up soon. Otherwise, I'm thinking this fabric will look really good in McCall's M089. It is the hashtag Adrena McCall's. There you go. I'm thinking that version A would be the alternative if I cannot get version B with my fabric. I'm pretty sure I have 2.5 yards of fabric here, but if I go with version B, I need almost 4 yards of fabric to create all those beautiful ruffles, unless I can find some alternative fabrics to work in on each tier that matches this blue, then I can make it work. Version A is requiring 2.5 for my size, which I run between a size 10 and 12 because I have really broad shoulders. So I'm going to have to figure out if this is worth all the work or if I would just rather pick up the simplicity pattern and make this beautiful dress up and call it done. The third project that I'm hoping to complete this month is, wait for it, The next fabric that I cannot wait to work on this month is this beautiful dress weight floral fabric. I shared these over on my Friday sews if you watch those, but today's video is pretty much confirming what I'm going to make with it. I decided that I'm going to make the chalk and notch wren dress. I already pattern test for chalk and notch, and I made the wren top and I love it. I think based on the fabric requirements that I would make the short sleeve version again, but then it would be in the dress. So this is such a beautiful print. Here you go. Here's some more views of it. I think it's going to look really pretty. And I can't wait to share the completed project with you guys. The fourth item that I'm going to be working on, this one is McCall's M8094. This is the Lola McCall. I really like version B, but I think for this fabric and how much I have, I am going to settle with version C. It's beautiful. It requires 1.5 yards of fabric for 60-inch wide fabric, and this is yet another beautiful blouse / dress weight fabric that I am going to work with. I know this really is reminiscent of a Zimmerman fabric colorway, so if I can find a way to add a skirt to that, then I will, but I'm thinking this is where I want to go. And if I don't actually go with this pattern, so if I don't actually go with the Lola McCalls for this fabric, I am going to find something that is similar to that silhouette because I think it's going to look really pretty. It's going to have a lot of life and depth into it with all the ruffles. So wish me luck as I really decide whether or not I'm going to do it, but it all depends on how much fabric I have because I want to use all the fabric. I don't want to have a lot of leftover when working on this project. The next project that I would like to complete for this rounds of sewing, and I think this is definitely going to push me into the month of May, is McCall's M7952. They haven't got around to renaming this pattern, but I'm going to share with you that I'm pretty interested in version B and C. This is the pattern. And as you guys see, it's a beautiful, beautiful design. It is one that you can work with linen, cotton blends, crepe, denim. Anything that is sturdy and has amazing recovery but keeps its structure is definitely what you're going to want to make this dress with. I think it's a beautiful summer dress. Beautiful spring dress, beautiful for tea, hanging out with your friends. It's just a really pretty one, and I would definitely like to make it in the next few weeks. I haven't really picked out that fabric for that, but I do have some denim in my stash, and I have a few floral denim as well, so who knows what I will pick, but my goal is to stay on task with these projects that I've shared with you. I have a few others that I'm working on right now, and they will be out in the next few weeks, probably in the next 2 or 3 weeks. I can actually record those and share those makes with you all. But that is it for now. Thank you so much for joining me and bearing with me in this different space regarding my planning videos, because most of the time I'm in my sewing space when I'm sharing those sort of videos. If you've watched my Friday sews videos, you know they're always done in this location. So thank you again so much for watching this video. I hope you have an amazing day and that you come back and check out what I have to share. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, like it, share it, follow me on Instagram, and I will see you on my next upload. Bye bye.